A person looking in the mirror, looking thin and frail. Are you struggling to gain weight? You're not alone. Many people struggle to add muscle mass and weight, despite their best efforts. In this video, we'll be discussing diet tips for gaining weight. 1. The importance of calorie surplus. The first thing to understand is that to gain weight, you need to create a calorie surplus. This means that you need to consume more calories than you burn. The key to gaining weight is to focus on a diet that is high in calories and nutrients. 2. Eating more often. One of the best ways to increase your calorie intake is to eat more often. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help keep your metabolism running at a higher rate, which can help you gain weight. 3. Eating protein. Protein is essential for building muscle mass, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough in your diet. Aim to eat at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, beef, eggs, and dairy products. 4. Eating healthy fats. Healthy fats are also important for weight gain. Fats are high in calories, so they can help you increase your calorie intake. Good sources of healthy fats include nuts, seeds, avocado, and olive oil. 5. Eating carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also an important part of a weight gain diet. Carbohydrates provide energy for your body and also helps you to feel full and satisfied. Good sources of carbohydrates include potatoes, rice, whole wheat bread, and pasta. 6. Conclusion. To sum up, the best diet for gaining weight is one that is high in calories and nutrients. Eating more often, eating protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates are all effective ways to increase your calorie intake. Remember that diet is not the only way to gain weight, exercise is also crucial. Consult a dietitian or a nutritionist before making any major changes to your diet. A person looking in the mirror again, looking more muscular and satisfied with the results. With the right diet and exercise plan, you can gain weight and build muscle mass. Consult a doctor before making any major changes to your diet or exercise routine.